Okay folks, today we are reviewing this right here. This is the equity alarm clock from Walmart, which I call the cube because it is a cube. And if you look in the back, it has a ascending alarm, 5-minute snooze, and what else? Now I guess that's it. So before we move on, let's look at the Walmart page and see what the current price is. Okay, so if you look at the website at walmart.com, you're gonna find this right here. Right now it's selling for $12.97, and they have 4 colors, I believe. And those are the colors they have. But this is also available at Walmart, at the Walmart store. So, what else is there to see here? One of the things that I want to let you know is that this picture is not accurate, because when you look at the alarm where it says 6:30 and it says 6:30 a.m. on the actual device, when it's on AM, it won't show AM. It'll just show 6:30 or whatever time you got, but it won't show that AM. You know it's AM because the PM is not there. Because when it's PM, it'll show PM, but when it's AM, it shows nothing. Alright, so let's go back to the device. Okay, so we're back, so let's continue this review. Let's start by opening it up. When you buy it, you get it like this. So this is there, and it's kind of pokey, so be careful. And let's take this off, if I can figure out how to do it. As you can see, it's already dirty. Let's see if the batteries are there. There's no batteries, so let me add some. Okay, so this is what you get. It tells the time, month, day, and alarm. So let's set the time. How do you set the time on this? Okay, so let's set the time for today. We are in, the year is 2021. The date will be the 10th of June. Now we're looking for the month right here. It's June, and that's it. Oh, I forgot to set the time. The time will be 4:17. And that's it. So it's 4:17 p.m. June 10th, and of course the year has to be 2021. Otherwise it's gonna get in trouble. It's gonna get you in trouble. So that's the time. So now let's set the alarm. To set the alarm, you put it all the way there, and as you can see, it has a PM indicator, but not an AM indicator. So let's set it to 4:18. And now let's wait. Oh, I made a mistake. Set it to 419. We have to set the alarm right here, and there's the indicator that says the alarm is set. So let's just wait. Okay, so now let's examine the backlight. Turn off all the lights. So now we're in the dark. So that's how that works. Let's do that again. So that's interesting. Now the last thing I want to do is take the sleeve off and see how it looks without the sleeve. And there we go. So you can see the screws without the sleeve, so you might not want to do that. And there's those two holes. So let's put it back in. Okay, so that's it for the moment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.